Electric trikes are quickly becoming one of the most desirable personal mobility options today because it offers practicality in a way few vehicles can match. Also, it has powerful motors, long-lasting batteries, and generous cargo space, which makes them an everyday need. So here we are highlighting some of the best electric trikes we've found on Amazon. All the mentioned trikes links are in the description below. Number 30. Meetone Breeze. This type of electric trike that looks modern but also feels like it was built to be dependable. It uses a strong rear motor, and the differential system really helps it feel more stable and controlled when you're turning, especially compared to cheaper trikes. Comfort-wise, it's clearly designed for real people. The riding position is slightly laid back, the seat is wide and well cushioned, and the backrest makes longer rides way easier on your body. You also get a clean LCD display, so everything you need is right in front of you. Number 29. Retrospec Boca Rev 2. Let's start with the Retrospec Boca Rev 2, because if comfort is your number one priority, this one honestly deserves your attention. It comes in at around $1,600, tops out at 14 miles per hour, and can reach up to 49 miles of range, though in everyday riding, most people are likely to see closer to 46 miles, which is still very solid. It's powered by a 480 watt-hour battery, weighs about 85 pounds, and yes, it folds, which is a big deal if you're short on storage space. The thick padded seat, the supportive backrest, and the easygoing frame design make it the kind of trike you can hop and enjoy. Number 28, Jorvik Jet E16 Tricycle. If you want something that's easy to store, easy to step onto, and still feels stable, this is a really smart option. It has a low step-through frame so you don't have to struggle getting on and off, and it also includes folding handlebars. It also comes with a quiet 7-speed internal gear hub, so shifting feels smooth and low maintenance, and the 250 watt motor gives you enough help for hills and longer rides without being overwhelming. Plus, the 5 pedal assist levels make it simple to choose how much boost you want. Number 27, ESKUTE Trike. Now we have a solid choice for anyone who just wants a ride that feels secure and beginner friendly. The step-through frame makes it easy to hop on without effort, and the wide tires give it a planted feel on the road. It also includes a rear differential, which helps keep turns smoother. The seat is nicely cushioned with a supportive backrest, so you won't feel worn out quickly, and the motor gives a steady boost for daily cruising. The battery pops out for easy charging, and you can switch assist depending on how you want to ride that day. Number 26, QRONGE Electric Tricycle. If you're looking for a trike that feels built around errands and utility, the QRONGE fits that role well. The roomy cargo section takes the pressure off grocery runs or carrying heavier items, and it stays balanced even when you're bringing a lot along. Since the battery is removable, you can charge it wherever it's easiest. And with its wider tires and adjustable gears, it's ready for mixed terrain, whether that's bumpy side streets, uneven paths, or small hills. Overall, it's a straightforward option that's designed for everyday use without fuss. Number 25, Addmotor Spytan II. The Addmotor Spytan II feels like it's made for riders who want a trike that can handle more than just short trips. It folds up for storage, and it comes with hydraulic disc brakes and 180mm rotors, which is a big plus when you want confident braking. Its design also focuses on keeping the ride steady even when you're carrying weight. The front rack can hold up to 80 pounds, and the 960 watt-hour battery can deliver up to 90 miles on a charge. It reaches about 15 miles per hour, making it a strong pick if you want range, carrying power, and a more heavy-duty feel. Number 24, Qlife Triker. It feels strong enough for hills, but still simple to ride every day. It comes with a 750 watt brushless motor and can reach up to 16 miles per hour, which is plenty for cruising around town. The 468 watt-hour removable battery can deliver up to 50 miles per charge, and since it pops out easily, you can charge it wherever. Here you're getting disc brakes and a rear differential, which helps it stay steady and smooth when turning. You can also choose how you want to ride, fully manual, pedal assist, or full electric. The step-through frame and 20-inch tires make it comfortable for riders between 4 feet 9 inches and 6 feet 2 inches, which is a nice range for an adult trike. Number 23. PUCKIPUPPY Electric Tricycle. This is one of those trikes that feels like it comes fully loaded right out of the box, the kind you can buy and ride immediately. Comfort is clearly the big focus here thanks to the full suspension. It has an aluminum frame that supports up to 500 pounds, which is impressive, and the 960 watt rear brushless motor helps it hit 15 miles per hour without feeling sluggish. On top of that, the pedal assist battery can reach up to 55 miles. If comfort and ready to ride value matter most, this is one of the easiest picks in the list. Number 22. ASHOMELI Tricycle Truck. The electric cargo tricycle truck scooter is shipped directly to your location and offers an eco-friendly, cost-efficient ride with a lead-acid battery and efficient DC motor. Reaching speeds up to 25 miles per hour, it's perfect for city commuting and short trips. Its compact three-wheel design has stability and easy maneuvering, while headlights, brake lights, turn signals, and mirrors enhance safety. Number 21. TST Electric Bike. The TST Road Electric Bike combines a 1,500 watt peak brushless motor and 90 Newton meters torque to reach 28 miles per hour and conquer slopes up to 30 degrees. Its removable battery delivers 40 to 60 miles per charge, while dual suspension and fat tires provide smooth, stable rides. Equipped with headlights, taillights with turn signals, and disc brakes for safety, the step-through frames make riding comfortable for all users. Number 20. Addmoto City Tri. It is UL certified for safety and features a foldable, low-step frame for convenience and accessibility. Its 960 watt-hours removable battery delivers up to 90 miles in pedal mode, while the 1,400 watt rear motor provides smooth speed and torque up to 20 miles per hour. With a rear differential for stable turns and a parking brake system for secure stops, this trike provides versatile rides on any terrain. Number 19. Narrak Electric Tricycle. The Narrak Electric Trike features a 750 watt motor peaking at 1,350 watts with a rear hub differential for stable turns and smooth handling. Its battery offers up to 50 miles in PAS mode. Riders can choose pedal assist, walk mode, or full electric using the LCD-M5 display. With great hydraulic brakes, it delivers comfort, convenience, and secure performance. Number 18. Trinova Alpha One. City traffic turns even short drives into long, slow crawls. Finding parking takes just as long, and squeezing a full-size car into tight streets only makes it worse. That's the problem the Trinova tries to solve. This three-wheeled electric vehicle is only 85 centimeters wide, about half the width of a typical car. That means 3 of them fit into a single parking space. An onboard AI watches traffic and road conditions, then shows color-coded signals that tell you how safe it is to move between lanes. On a 30-kilometer commute, the makers say it cuts travel time by about 40% compared to a car. It's a smaller, quicker way to move through crowded streets without dealing with the usual traffic headaches. Number 17. KAKIGO Electric Tricycle. This electric trike comes with a certified removable lithium battery, offering 80 to 90 miles of range in pedal assist mode. Its advanced battery management system protects against overcharging, overheating, and short circuits. Powered by a 750 watt peak brushless motor delivering 60 Newton meters of torque, it provides strong, smooth, and quiet performance. The wide 2-seater frame with safety belts supports up to 440 pounds, comfortably carrying 2 riders on every trip. Number 16. 3-score Electric Fat Trike. This 3-score electric tricycle features customizable rear fenders, a backrest seat, cover, and optional pre-assembly. A 750 watt geared hub motor with a 48 volt battery provides 25 to 35 plus miles on motor alone and up to 55 plus miles with PAS level 1, reaching 20 plus miles per hour. UL certified for safety, it offers an adjustable 33-inch seat, 5-level pedal assist, parking brakes, turn mirrors for a secure ride. Number 15. eAhora M1P. M1P electric trike features a 2,000 watt brushless motor with 207 Newton meters torque and a top speed of 26 miles per hour. Its 1,800 watt hours battery provides 40 miles per charge and recharges in 4 hours. Hydraulic disc brakes, rear swing bracket, adjustable suspension, and 12-inch tubeless. Dual LCDs monitor performance, while a rear shelf or optional box stores cargo. A remote-controlled alarm enhances security. Number 14. Luxevelo 500 watt electric. This electric tricycle features a 500 watt brushless motor reaching 20 miles per hour and offering 35 miles in full electric mode and 70 miles with pedal assist. 3 riding modes suit commuting, campus rides, or rugged terrain. Front and rear disc brakes and full suspension for safety. Less in weight aluminum alloy construction with adjustable seat and handlebars accommodates all riders. Number 13. Addmotor Grandtan II. The Grandtan II electric trike features a UL certified battery with up to 85 miles of range. UL certified for safety, it uses a mid-axis torque sensor for smooth, responsive pedal assist. A 750 watt rear motor with 90 Newton meters torque provides up to 22 miles per hour, while 80 millimeter front suspension and plush backrest. Number 12. EMOJO Bull. This electric trike features an 8.5-inch step-through frame for easy mounting, excellent for seniors or mobility-limited riders. Its built-in differential provides stable, controlled handling, while the 500-watt brushless motor powers hills and heavy loads. A single battery offers 65 miles of range, extendable to 100 miles, and the rear basket holds up to 300 pounds. Number 11. ZYCLE Z500 Electric Tricycle. The ZYCLE 3-wheel electric trike features a 750-watt rear motor with 90 Newton meters torque and a 720 watt-hour lithium battery, offering 40 miles of PAS range at speeds up to 20 miles per hour. Triple brakes, a parking system, rear differential, and 50mm suspension fork with fat tires ensure stability and control. A large rear basket carries essentials. Number 10. MOKWHEEL Folding Electric. This granite electric trike features an 860-watt rear motor with 70 Newton meters torque, reaching 20 miles per hour in pedal assist mode. A 48 volts of battery provides up to 55 miles per charge, supported by a smart BMS, dual hydraulic disc brakes, an 80mm suspension fork, and a thick backrest saddle ensure comfort and control. The aluminum frame supports 500 pounds, and the rear differential improves stability and maneuverability. Number 9. Ontrip Electric Tricycle. This electric tricycle features a 750-watt mid-drive motor with 1,350-watt peak power for smooth acceleration. It comes with overcharge protection and a 6-month warranty. Its foldable frame and large basket make storage and shopping easy. Pedal assist or full electric modes are displayed on the HD screen. The carbon steel frame supports 440 pounds, and the rear differential is stable. Number 8. Skeri Electric Tricycle. This adult electric trike combines safety, comfort, and convenience, while a 750-watt rear motor which peaks at 1,350 watts and differential system ensure stable, confident handling. It has fat tires, hydraulic brakes, a step-through frame, and large baskets enhance practicality. Multiple riding modes and an intuitive LCD display make monitoring easy, and the hydraulic parking brake keeps the trike secure on slopes. Number 7. Jump AI Electric Trike. This electric trike features a 500-watt rear hub motor peaking at 1,250 watts with a differential system for stable, precise handling. Multiple modes, including pedal assist, walk, and full electric, are displayed on an intuitive LCD. Designed for cargo or passengers, seniors, and people with disabilities, it includes hydraulic suspension, all-terrain tires, IP65 protection, and ergonomic controls for a safe and easy ride. Number 6. Razor Power Rider. It delivers both excitement and control. With a push-button throttle, it reaches speeds of 9 miles per hour and offers up to 40 minutes of continuous fun. Dual rear caster wheels enable 360-degree spins, slides, and drifts, while the hand-operated front brake, high-impact pneumatic front wheel, and 12-volt rechargeable battery with charger provide safety, durability, and extended riding enjoyment. Number 5. Mooncool Electric Tricycle. This adult electric trike delivers reliable performance with independent third-party certification. It features 3 riding modes: electric, pedal assist, and normal, controlled via an LCD display. The 480 watt-hour motor and 14.5 amp-hour removable battery provide 30 to 45 miles of range at speeds up to 15.5 miles per hour. Built on a strong aluminum frame with puncture-resistant tires, it offers excellent traction for practical rides. Number 4. RC Lito Foldable 3. This foldable electric trike offers portability, stability, and comfort in one package. This is lightweight around 40 pounds. It folds in 5 seconds for easy storage or transport. A 450-watt motor with removable 36-volt battery reaches 15 miles per hour with a 19-mile range. 3 speeds, reverse gear, LCD display, 10-inch tires, dual hydraulic suspension, and an ergonomic wide seat ensure safe, smooth, and comfortable rides for commuting or leisure. Number 3. VIRIBUS Electric Tricycle. The VIRIBUS Adult Electric Trike combines performance and comfort. Its removable battery delivers up to 31 miles per charge. Choose from pedaling, throttle, or PAS with 5 assistance levels displayed on an LCD screen. Powered by a 350-watt, which peaks at 700-watt front hub motor with 7-speed derailleur reaching 15.5 miles per hour, it features 1.95-inch tires, aluminum hubs, a spring suspension saddle, and a low step-through frame for smooth, comfortable rides. Number 2. PUCKIPUPPY Electric Trike. This electric trike comes with 2 batteries, a full riding kit, and 2 seat post options. Its hidden 835 watt-hours of battery provides 45 to 60 miles per charge, while the 960 watt peak rear hub motor reaches 20 miles per hour. Comfort features include suspension forks and backrest saddle. The rugged aluminum frame supports up to 500 pounds with a rear differential, hydraulic brakes, spacious rear basket, and an intuitive LED dashboard for easy control. Number 1. HIbea Go e-Bike for adults. It is especially made to conquer hills and city streets with this electric bike, featuring a high-torque 1,500-watt motor with 90 Nm max torque and 7-speed Shimano gears, reaching up to 34 miles per hour. Twin shock absorbers and heavy-duty tires deliver smooth, stable rides on any terrain. The ergonomic wide seat has comfort for long rides, while the sturdy frame supports up to 330 pounds. A bright front headlight keeps you safe in low light conditions, so that's all for now. So, which electric trike do you think stands out the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell to stay updated on our latest gear and reviews.